May tagkita. Sasabihin nyo nila.
Kung kita yun. Dili. Pwede kita ngapon. Dahil korni kay Kachoy.
Hello po. Welcome sa aking wedding for today, August 10.
Today I wear my white, the kind that's once a lifetime. I feel like on a high.
Papakilala ko nga po pala magwapong entourage. Kapatid kong napakagwapo, panganay. Alvin Jaigon, ito yung babe ko. And ito si Tim, bossing.
Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking down the aisle. I might be running cause I'm certain it's the beginning of the rest of our lives. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do.
I'm in my suit and tie. Knees are shaking, love, not gonna lie. But no, I can't deny. Get it hit, she's got me super psyched, yeah. Cause walking through that door is the woman I've been praying for. And as I look you in the eye, today my best friend is gonna be my wife. Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking down the aisle. I might be running cause I'm certain it's the beginning of the rest of our lives. Can't wait to say I do.
Nung sinabi mo sa akin dati, maghahanap ka ng katulad ko. Eh ako pala yung hahantingin mo.
I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do.
Our relationship led me closer to understanding the love of Christ more, made me understand the selflessness it takes to forgive and to love. I thank God how He unfolds to me that marrying you was all under His plan. Oftentimes I'm asked how I knew that you were the one, and I will just respond with, kung dadalhin niya ako sa altar, siya ang the one.
Melvin and Lorisa, I encourage you to love each other publicly. Take the magic of this day when your love for each other is on full display, and keep it alive, carrying with you as you build your new life together.
Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside you. It's where I belong. From this moment on. From this moment.
So, Cass, after 9 years, na lokohan, na nandito na tayo sa totohanan.
I'd give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart.
Nakita ko lahat ng mga kapatid mo. Nakita ko yung mga tao. Gumaganon sila. Tapos naiiyak na ako sa simula na
You and I will never be apart.
Thank you for your love, for your patience, and unwavering support throughout all these years. I feel so lucky to have had you as my girlfriend, and now call you as my wife.
I promise to always be patient, be kind, and to honor you, to be selfless and not easily angered, and to trust, hope, and persevere with you.
You're the reason I believe in love.
Nung nawala si Tay, pinakita niyo sa amin kung paano magtiwala sa plano ng Diyos. Kahit masakit, pinili niyo mabuhay, magpakatatag para sa amin.
Two of us, my dreams came true.
You let me choose the path I wanted, and whenever I needed help, you were always there to back me up.
From this moment, as long
As we build your life together. Siyempre, hindi ko mapapangako na hindi ako makikiging pasaway. Kaya habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo. I love you so much.
I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you.
I love you, my love, and will love you until my last breath.
From this moment on.
Isingit-singit ko na kaya. Natatay na yung
Natatay.
groove. Wala na, finish na, sakal na!
Bawat sulok kabisa,
Sumasabi ko dalili.
bago,
Ging-ging, kakasal na ako.
nawawala pa rin ako.
Nakita ko yung sa lemony, bumabaliktad talaga yung tiyan ko. Masuso pa ako.
Di sinasadya
Sakal na!
ikaw ay magkasalubong. Hindi na nalito. Huwag mo nang pigilan pa, mga matay di nakatingin sa iba. Kaya mananatili sa
When we were in high school, I was so fond of you as a friend na sinabi ko na sana makakita ako ng someone like you. But God made each person unique and there's none like you, so He just gave me you.
kasabay ng puso at tugtugan, paghindak ng ating katawan, mananatili, hindi tiyak ang bukas natin, ngunit itong gabi atin. Nabihag ng iyong tingin, liwanag sa dilim, lahat ng ilaw ay nakatuto. Sa'yo lang tumibo. Nang ganito ang puso ko, hindi na lalayo. Sa'yo mananatili sa iyong tabi magdamag. Ating paligid, hindi na natin
How's it not? Susie! Oh, my dreams!
mananatili, hindi tiyak ang bukas natin, ngunit itong gabi atin.
Huwag mo kordatin yung pet ko.
Thank you, love, for waiting for me for years. Sabi ko noon, if you want me, you'll need to wait for me for 8 to 10 years. And you really did. Thank you, my love, for everything you do to make me happy.
Ating paligid, hindi na
dating crush at pinapangarap mo, ngayon ay asawa mo na. Aminin mo.
For the record, siya yung nag-chat.
Sabi niya sa akin, crush na daw ako noon.